Hello guys, so today we are going to create the giant effect, how to jump over a fence using Kinemaster. So guys, we are going to choose our clip, that is the full clip. We are done. So when I was shooting the video, someone passed, so I'm going to crop that out, going to split it, trim it out. So I'm going to get a clear shot. First of all, when videoing this, you have to get a clear empty background first. I made an empty background of 10 seconds, so you are going to split it. After splitting it, then you get a background where you did the jumping. You move it to front, then you duplicate as layer. Duplicate that one as layer. Move it front a little, then delete the other one. Now let's go to the editing. So now I've moved to the gate. So while doing this editing, make sure when you jump, your leg passes the gate. Look at, as I jumped, my leg is over the gate. Then let's add bookmark, so I will know where we stopped. Now the layer we duplicated, we're going to move it to where we put our bookmark. We'll put our bookmark. Let's play it. Let's see. Yes. So we adjust the layer forward. Let's adjust it so that we can match the screen. Then use our cropping tool, the max effect. So now we're going to crop it out from the head. So crop it down. Let's put the gate level. Let's drag it down a little bit. Yes, let's check it out. So but this is noticeable, so we're going to adjust it a little bit, make it so that it will match with the gate. I'm going to adjust it. Maybe this is okay. Let's check it out. It seems it matches the gate now. Yeah, it's perfect. So but there's a little problem about the lighting. If you notice, you see the light. So it's perfect now. Let's trim one clip. Trim to right. Yes, we now get our clip very well. Let's play it and see. Okay, perfect guys. So we'll be adding a little color filter to it so that it will match. I think this filter looks good. We add it to the layer so that it matches. Color filter, basic. We use the one we added at the we use the first one we added, then it looks better now. It looks better now. So guys, we'll be adding some effect on it so that it will look more realistic, like when it landed, something like shake effect. So guys, let's just look for an effect that matches it very well, but we just make the timing to be very nice. Okay, let's look for an effect. Wiko. Yeah, I think Wiko can go. Then we are going to expand the clip. Expand it so that it will cover the whole screen. We expanded the Wico effect so that it covered the whole screen. Then something like this. I think it's better like this now. It's nice now. We are good. So guys, after this you can now save your video.